Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited because I am going to be unboxing the Sleeping Beauty 1959 collection with Besame Cosmetics. I ordered some items from the collection and I wanted to unbox them here on my channel. I love when Besame comes out with these collections because they partner with Disney and they do such an amazing job. When they came out with the Snow White collection, I bought items from that collection and I loved it so much. So I'm really excited that they came out with a new collection. I have two really big boxes like this, so I'm excited to just open these up. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sylvia. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe, I upload every Monday and Thursday. I do cruelty-free makeup reviews here on this channel, so I hope you guys join my family here. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. I haven't seen any of the products in person. I've been waiting to film this video so that I can open the boxes so you guys can see like my first reaction to all of it. Oh my god, you guys. Look how pretty this is. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the handheld mirror from the collection. I love Disney, so I'm really excited for these products. So this is the blush palette and it's actually smaller than what I expected. Of course, the packaging is so pretty, and then they also put this kind of like a newspaper in the box when you get it. I love how extra they are. You don't really see stuff like this in the beauty industry. Of course, I'm gonna show you guys a close up of all of the items that I purchased. Okay, so that was one box. I'm gonna open this one now. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. So this is the eyeshadow palette and the packaging again is so pretty, and this is how it looks when you take it out of the box. When you take it out, it has like a book and it's so cool. All of the letters and the jewels are raised. When you order the palette, you have the option if you want to get it with the stand. So I of course got the option with the stand. So I love that they included this as well. They did not do this for the Snow White collection. I guess this is part of the stand as well. Oh no, this is a crown. I had no idea. I'm gonna put it on. Hold on. My head's small, so I had to put it on the last. Oh my god, you guys. That is so cute. Okay, I probably look silly, but I don't care. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got from the collection. They of course have a lot more things from the collection. They have lipsticks. They also have a translucent powder and also a locket. You can buy the whole collection as a bundle, or you can also buy the mirror and eyeshadow palette in a bundle. I just saw online though that the palette with the stand is sold out, but they do still have the eyeshadow palette available. Most of the items are actually, I think, still available. If you go to the Besame Cosmetics website, you'll be able to see. So I'm gonna start with the blush palette. So the blush palette was $35. This is how the blush palette looks, and it's so pretty. This is really, really nice. The packaging is plastic. It's gold all the way around. So when you open it up, it has a mirror, really cute. And then these are the blush shades, and it does come with a highlighter. They're very like cool tone pink blushes. Wow, this highlighter right here, wow, I was not expecting that. That is a blinding highlight right there. All of these colors are really, really nice. Sorry for my dirty nails. I really need to get a new manicure, but this highlighter is really pretty. So these are the swatches, really pretty. Okay, so the next item I'm gonna show you guys is the handheld mirror. This mirror is so nice. It is actually heavy, cost $58. So I want to show you guys a close-up of the packaging because it is so nice. The box actually opens where you are able to see the mirror on the inside of the box. So inside the box it says, make it pink, make it blue, make it magic. And then it says, a spinning wheel, 3 magical fairies, and an evil spell only to be broken by love's first kiss. The story of Princess Aurora has captivated audiences for 60 years. So that's pretty much what it says in the box. Just basically information about the collection. So I'm gonna take out the mirror and I want to show you guys a close-up of the mirror. So online it says that it is a rose gold hand mirror adorned with roses, vines, and the original 1959 title logo. Cast metal with deluxe gold plating and jewel tone enamel detailing, and a mirror that gives a crystal clear reflection. With a long handle, the weight is balanced, 12 inches tall by 4 inches wide. It is limited edition, of course, the whole collection. It feels so nice on the hand. It is so clear, you guys. Wow, the mirror is crystal clear. You guys would not be able to tell, but in person, this is one of the best freaking mirrors I've seen myself in. The mirror is actually really long. I love this packaging. It just feels so luxurious on the hands, and it would look amazing on a vanity. Love all the details that they put in the mirror. Okay, I think I'm ready to take this off now because it keeps moving. Okay, so I saved the best for last, and this is the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is actually not too big and not too small. It's actually a really good size. It opens up like a book. You got a mirror in here, and then you got a picture of Sleeping Beauty, like the original artwork from the Disney movie. There's so many details around the mirror, a lot of vines and roses. And when you turn over the page, you have, of course, more artwork from the original Disney 1959 movie. And it also says that they hand selected and matched the colors to the original color palette provided by Disney's ink and paint department to bring you a beautiful, authentic recreation of the colors from the classic 1959 film. So the colors, of course, were inspired by the BRIAR Rose, the Three Fairies, and Maleficent. And then you have Maleficent, of course, on the next page. So when you turn over to the next page, a list of Aurora's color callouts, and then another list of Maleficent's color callouts. So that's really, really cool. And then you have all of the eyeshadows from the ink of the original 1959 movie. Of course, they're not gonna look like deep and rich and pigmented because those are not the type of colors that they used in 1959. And of course, they wanted to keep it original and authentic, so that's why this is how the colors look. Made in the USA, and it has all of the jewel tones around the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette alone is $68. With the stand, it is sold out, but it was $78. So cool. I've never seen, you know, anything like this. I feel like I have like a piece of history here with me. I don't know. It just gives me like happy feelings inside when I see something like this. It's a really, really big newspaper, and it has so much information, and it also shows the full collection on the newspaper. All of the products are paraben free and they're cruelty free. Okay, so now I really want to watch the movie, like the 1959 like original movie. I want to see it. All right guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Sleeping Beauty 1959 collection with Besame Cosmetics and Disney. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.